Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be trying out Animal Company for the first ever time. Oh, my nose is stuffy. Oh, what the frick? Why is there floating bananas everywhere? Allow the stop to access your microphone. Yes. Bro, chill out. Stop. I can't hear anything. Oh, you in Animal Company? Then join it. A, B, X, Y. Oh my god. Oh! Okay. Okay, so enter new code to switch servers. So I can just put in any code. 9663. Those are my three favorite numbers. No, 9663. Bro, why is it said I'm in a room code? No, I want 6.
You want that?
It's making me join. Bro, I don't want to join this server.
Is the price stinky?
963. Oh. Yeah. Oh, what's on my wrist? Okay, you're gonna have to go to app though. No, 96. Oh, it just kicked me out of the game. Never mind. It's 9. No, 9635. I don't want to join the code 5.
Bro, that was
Sir Punk.
No, 69635. I hate this game. 9635. That's the code. My god. The codes suck in this game. 9635. You better. Yo! Wait, turn around. Turn around real quick. Turn around real quick. Oh. Oh.
Yes, up.
That's crazy. Wait, what? Yo!
That's weird. Oh, no. Dang, yo, cheese.
Bye.
No, I'm coming with you.
Wait, why does it sound like that?
What the heck? This sounds weird. You sound echoey.
Is there like, is this like the only map? This is all we can do? What?
Yeah, boring.
Oh, I thought it was
No, there's a whore. Come over here. There's a whore.
No. Horror,
Yes.
horror is best for last. Come on, I always do that in all my videos. Come on, we'll do that later. I want to see what this is over here. Restricted lab. I want to see what this is.
What's this?
One day. It's a frog, dude. I think that's like when a new skin comes out or something.
Probably.
Bro, look, it's like
jeez.
dark. It's dark, then right when you get out, it's light.
I know. Now, hold on.
Is this a boxing thing? Oh, it's staged. Sit down, bro. Go sit down. Go sit down. Hey. Tonight we're going to be announcing that I'm going to say hi. Wait, talk?
Yay!
Yo, why does your face look like that? Wait, talk again?
I know, bro. Your face does that too.
Ew, that's disgusting. I just heard like
Over
a...
here. Is this a beach? I want to swim.
Hey.
Bro, I'm Jesus.
Wait, bro. Wait, can you hear it when I talk into this walkie-talkie? Hello. Yo.
Bro, I responded.
Come on.
I responded.
What is that sound?
Responded. Bro, don't touch the water. You're gonna drown. I responded. I died.
What if I touch it with like the tip of my finger?
It won't do anything. Touch it with your tip of your finger. Do you hear that?
Yeah, what the heck?
we are?
Oh crap! I respawned.
I know, me
There are people
too.
in here.
What? What?
The first one that
Oh,
got body
sweet.
a poke.
Bro, wait, who is this?
Bro, no, this is me, Kason. Kason, me.
Yeah, but wait, are we in a public lobby or something?
No?
Then who was that?
Oh no, dang it, guys, cheese. I wanna go.
Let's just go.
I bet.
Hey, come over here. Come over here. Do not. Is this the horror mode? Because it says do not enter.
Yeah. Oh shoot, don't press that.
Why?
Wanna find out?
No, don't. Because if it kills you again, then you're gonna have to rejoin.
Scary. I'm gonna play the horror update. We did it! I don't know what's over here. Don't touch the stuff. Oh yes. Oh shit, I suck.
Eh.
No, there's something over here. Oh no, not anymore.
Yo. It's. Oh, come over here.
What? Oh my gosh. What is this?
Hold up, I fell. I'm coming. Hold up. Ugh.
Where are you? Shoot. Bro, it's so dark.
I
Oh, we
don't
have a flashlight.
Wait, how do you put it on?
I don't know.
Can we not do this?
Okay, I'm going back out. Wait, I'm okay. Don't touch
Bro,
the barricades.
it would be
No,
fun.
no, watch this, ready? Watch
Stop!
this, ready?
Stop! No. Yo! Yo! First of all. Yo, that's crazy.
I respawned.
Hello?
Hello, I responded. Where are you?
I still have my flashlight.
Okay, I'm coming.
Here, want my flashlight?
Wait, that's you? That's you? Are you green?
Yeah.
Hold up, I'm going to the other room right now.
Bro, you're just moving. We check your. Oh,
Hello?
hello? Hold up,
I
open
bet.
wide, open wide, open wide. Say ah.
Ah!
Okay. Okay, I think it's time. Cause there's really no other games to. There's really no other places to check. This game's boring.
Let's do it. Oh shoot, bro. Bro, okay. Follow me. Follow me.
I have the flashlight still.
Shoot. Look, this level can be dangerous.
Wait, what's in it?
Last time I saw it was a spider.
Oh,
And it jump scared you. Oh, you had to go over here. Do not press any dumb stuff.
oh, I just lagged out for a second. Is that toilet paper?
Oh shit!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Bro,
Bro,
I died.
We're doing it again. We just have to be more quiet. Come on.
Yeah, okay.
I think we can't like do this. We have to do like slow, okay? Basically like super high. Have you ever played super hot? Like when you go slower, that goes slower.
Yeah.
That's I think. Here, before we go, we should try to make a little plan because I don't think I'm right. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. What are you doing? This is where we saw it.
Okay, so listen. Don't go down. Listen.
I won't.
Oh crap! It's still moving.
We might be. Oh shoot.
Where do we go?
We might be cooked.
Go, go, go! Oh! Come back, come back. Yo! Come look at it. It's right there.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, stop.
Okay,
It's probably running back. Okay, wait, come back over here.
Yeah, let's make a plan.
Okay, let's count like 10 seconds. Hold up. I have a good idea.
Oh yeah.
No! Ah!
Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Help! Help! No!
Do that. Get back. Get back. Get back.
Hello?
Get back. Get back.
Hello?
Get back, bro. I'm still here. Get back.
You are. Bro, you said it was a spider, not a freaking big duck. Okay, quiet. Stop here. It starts chasing you. Stop, slow. Listen. Escape plan. This is our escape plan. Listen,
Okay.
you see that wooden thing over there?
Yeah?
We need to make it onto there. Oh crap.
That's not a platform. Where?
Up here! Yeah, go to the other one! Where do we go? I'm coming to you! Yo! Where do we go?
We did it! I don't know.
Do we need to collect all those banana and stuff?
No. Wait, where did he go? Where did he go?
I don't know, I'm confused.
He's...
Here, look, there's a safe spot. Oh, wait, no. Let's try over here.
Where did you go?
Over here.
You're like in the plant, bro.
Oh! 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 Oh my god! Yo! Go! I can't! There's no way!
Alright, fine. I will.
No, don't. I'm gonna make it over there when the monster goes.
Where is he?
Oh my god! Wait, how do we get out?
I don't know. Hey, bro. I think I know.
I'm
Where's the
gonna...
monster? I let this guy.
Bro! I got the banana! Wait! Distracted! Go closer to it! Go closer! Go closer to it! No, he's gonna see me! Go closer to it! Go closer!
There's a platform. Wait, do you have a banana?
Yeah! Ha! No! No! Shucks. Banana.
Okay, come on.
Bro, we can't get past that. There's no way. There's nowhere. Wait, bro. Come back. What if it's this way? Look, we haven't went this way.
Oh yeah.
Oh, heck no.
Oh shit, oh shoot.
No.
Alright, bye. I'm
Wait,
going.
no, come. Look, let's slowly make our way down, because look, there's steps. Nothing's happening. Wait, stop. Slow. I just saw something that's probably going to wake up. Yes, look. Look, come over here. You would see it. What is that?
Where is it? What is that?
It's an eyeball.
Exactly.
Get ready to jump back up here.
Oh shoot.
What the
Oh
Did you see that? Did you see that? What the heck? Yo, look. Come right here, look. Come. He can't get you up here. What the heck?
shoot. That's a pufferfish. Why does it like slow like that?
Slow. He won't see you over here. Come on. Yeah, jump on this rock. Yeah, come on.
Oh! No!
Come on! Hold up.
I'm scared.
Look,
scared.
pinch
I don't
climb
wanna.
right here on this corner.
Shoot, I'm scared. I don't want to. I didn't have to.
Stop. Can you go on this part? Yes, you can. Come on.
Oh my god.
Ah! What the heck?
Where did you go? Oh jeez. Wait, can we stand on it?
I'm gonna try to go on the rock in the middle. I did it! Go! He's not over here! Go! No! I just died. Go back spawn.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, like I thought it was just pufferfish, and when I saw that thing, I got so scared.
I know.
Wait, is there any other place you haven't checked? Is this game really that boring?
No, I know. I think I know. You have to follow me. It's the same way though. Wait, we haven't checked over there, bro.
Oh yeah, we went in this, but we didn't go over here.
Wait, I know. What's over here?
I don't know. I thought there was gonna be like a shop, you know? Bro, how many horse stuff is this game gonna have?
I don't know.
Oh heck no.
I'm going down.
He's jumping
we go
first.
Alright. No, take a little step by little. Take a little step
Right
by
there,
little.
right there, below you. Look, you can kind of see it. Oh! No! Oh, I made it.
Or should we just go for it?
Let's just go down. On go. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm going!
I'm coming!
Well, get in here! What the heck?
I got flashlight. Can you see my flashlight's light?
Kind of. I don't like it though. We can climb on. Oh no, we can't.
Wait, look. Let's go in this wood block.
I'm going right here. Oh my gosh! What is that? I don't want to touch it.
I kind of do. Ah! It hurt you. Stop.
It does?
Yeah.
Why did you say ow?
Because, like, I don't know. Come on. Bro, your eyes are so scary in the dark.
Run!
plants.
This looks peaceful.
I'm going up here. I'm scared.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Skibbity toilet. Over here, over here. Can we go like? Come on. There's a
So I
spot.
just heard something.
That doesn't hurt you?
Get up here. I just heard something. Do you hear that?
Yeah. Hold up. This doesn't hurt you. I'm jumping over. Huh. Ah! Oh! Wait, I can't just leave him like that. He's terrified of scary stuff. I'm coming! I'm coming! Did you die?